Hello friends, today I'm going to make the pride of cows low fat paneer and it is high in protein. This every 200 this 200 gram pack of paneer gives you like 45 grams of protein in it, and this is from fresh from the farms. Net quantity is 200 grams like I mentioned, and this is from the pride of cows. So today we are going to make this paneer. So I'm going to open this pack. I have already opened it last time to review it. And here is the paneer. This is how it comes packaged inside. So let me just open it up completely and show you. This is a block of paneer that comes in. This is how it looks. Just removed it from the fridge. So it's a bit hard, but this is how it looks. And this is 200 grams of paneer, which packs in 45 grams of protein. Now we are just going to chop this into cubes. I have a bowl right here, kept here, and we are going to marinate it with some uh, turmeric and salt, and then we are going to fry it in the air fryer. So just going to chop it first into cubes. My daughter enjoys eating paneer, so I'm going to make some paneer, fried paneer, air fried paneer cubes for her for tiffin today. A good protein pack snack for her in her lunchbox. And you can see the paneer is not crumbling at all, neither and stiff. We are going to take these cubes of paneer. I'm going to add it to this bowl right here. Keep the other part here. So while storing paneer, add some water to it and cover it, and your paneer will remain soft for another day or two. You can store it in the fridge. So now to this paneer, we are going to add in some turmeric, a little bit of turmeric for the flavor and color. We added in the turmeric, and next we are going to add in some salt. We're just going to mix it well. So that every piece of paneer is coated in the turmeric and salt mixture. What we'll do is just mix it well. And now we are going to drizzle in some oil. And just shake it again so that oil mixes up well with all the paneer pieces. I don't like using a lot of oil and I'm frying stuff, so I added just a little bit of oil. And now our paneer are well coated with the oil, turmeric and salt, and they are ready to be fried in the air fryer. You can see this, it's ready right now. So we are going to go and quickly fry it in the air fryer now. So guys, here's my Havells air fryer, and I put in a silicone dish inside, and I preheated it for some time, like 2-3 minutes before. I'm just going to drop in the paneer cubes into it. So shake it a bit so that it settles well. And now we are going to push it into the air fryer and select the option of cheese. And it's going to cook on 150 degrees for like, it shows 16 minutes, but we just want to keep it for like 3 to 5 minutes. So we'll just keep it at 5 minutes and set the time for 5 minutes and let it cook. So we are 2 minutes down right now, and you can see that the paneer has puffed up well and it's becoming soft. So we're going to just shake it a bit and then push it back in and let it cook. So friends, I have like Air fried the pride of cow paneer and look at it, texture so nice and soft it has become. Nice and soft it is, and has fried really well, puffed up inside as well. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste test and tell you all how does it taste. A little bit hot right now, but look at the texture, guys. So nice textured paneer this is, nice and soft, not at all rubbery, and this is high in protein. 45 grams of protein and 200 grams of paneer. So that's a good chunk of protein available in this paneer. It is low fat and high in protein. This is a pride of cow paneer, and I have fried it in an air fryer. So just going to do a taste test, and I'm going to tell you how does it taste. Mmm, nice and soft, really yum, tastes really good. Guys, if you are looking to buy the pride of cow paneer, it's available online. I'll left a link in the description below. You can check it from there.